Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Wavcoop. This plane's phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2001 TF Holden Rodeo dual cab LX Ute, stock reference number 4312. This shape runs from the 3rd month 1997 through to the 3rd month 2003. It has a 6VD1 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual transmission. 6VD1 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front. We have the right hand corner light, right hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has an average tyre, left manual door mirror. Both left hand doors have light hail. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Tailgate has a few dents, but still may be usable. It's got a factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have light hail. Right manual door mirror. Right guard has a previous repair, but virtually straight. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window regulators. It's fitted with grey cloth interior, which is in pretty tidy condition. Centre console, cup holder, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.